How to fix KFC login issues using the forgot password. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we are providing you with a step-by-step guide that we can use to use the forgot password option to fix our login issues. So let's just get started. So open up the KFC website. You can open up any of the KFC website. It may be according to your country as well. And once you open it up, you can look out for the login screen. At the top right corner, we can find a sign in option that we can click on. And once we click on that option, it should open up something, this kind of interface, login interface. And we can directly look out for this option called forgot password. So go ahead and click on it. And once we click on it, we can enter up our phone number that we use to create an account. So go ahead and enter it up. And once it is entered up, once it is entered, we can go ahead and click on this option called reset password and go ahead and confirm it up. After that, it will give us an option to reset our password. So you can verify it by entering the 4-digit OTP you will be receiving. So go ahead and enter it up. And then you should be easily finding an option where we can reset our password. So go ahead and enter up your new password here. And once you've entered it up, you can click on this option called change password and you can confirm it up. And KFC will reset your password very directly. Sometimes the process may vary depending upon different KFC website itself. So they may also send up a password link that we can use in order to reset our password, and it only takes a few minutes. So we can reset our password that way as well. Once you have reset your password, you can look out for the login or register in the top right corner and use your new credentials in order to log in into your account. Make sure your email is the one that you use to create your KFC account, and you can check your spam or junk folder if no email arrives as well. And also avoid using temporary or invalid emails. If the link expires, you can request a new password reset option as well. And that's it. That is it, everybody. For now, you can head over and follow the step and you should be able to reset your password. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tutorials.